A knife sharpener is an easy and helpful tool to keep your knives sharp and in good condition. Though it may seem like a fussy step only necessary for professional chefs, sharp knives make such a difference in everything from dicing vegetables to more technical cuts, like filleting fish, and they help reduce accidents, which might happen when you're forced to hack away at things that should only require an easy slice. Here are the best knife sharpeners for all your needs.
Hello there, we are the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so the viewer may know about the product. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
Chef's Choice Model 4643 Angle Select Professional Manual Knife Sharpener. This versatile sharpener uses proprietary diamond abrasives to sharpen and polish 15-degree fine edge knives as well as 20-degree traditional knives. We will demonstrate how to sharpen a 20-degree knife. Pull the blade through each side of the guide slowly and smoothly, alternating each side about 3 to 4 times. Let the diamond abrasives sharpen the blade back to the appropriate angle. Carefully feel for a burr. If a burr is detected, draw the knife through step 3, which will polish and finish the edge. This stage can also be used for serrated knives. Model 4643, professional sharpness and effortless cutting. Chef's Choice Model 15XV Electric Knife Sharpener. This 3-stage electric sharpener uses proprietary diamond abrasives to create a 15-degree fine edge used for precision slicing and cutting. Additionally, this sharpener can easily convert a 20-degree traditional knife to a finer 15-degree edge. Pull the blade through each side of guide number 1 slowly and smoothly, alternating each side about 3 to 4 times. This first stage is for sharpening. Carefully feel for a burr. If a burr is detected, pull the blade through each side of the second stage, alternating each side about 3 to 4 times. This second stage is ideal for honing the knife. In the final stage, pull the blade through the last slot about 3 to 4 times, which will polish and finish the edge. This stage can also be used for serrated knives. Model 15XV for ultimate sharpness and effortless cutting.
Say hello to the AccuSharp Knife and Tool Sharpener, the #1 rated and best reviewed sharpener on the market. This is a perfect knife sharpener for chef's knives, paring knives, serrated knives, fillet knives, cleavers, you name it. If you own a knife, you need this sharpener. It features a V-notch sharpening slot with diamond-honed tungsten carbide sharpening blades, an ergonomic grip, and full-length finger guard. The high-grade industrial-quality tungsten carbide sharpener restores your double-bevel blade with just a few strokes. Due to its unique design, the blades are reversible and replaceable to double its life. Simply place your knife on a stable surface with the cutting edge up and the tip extending just past the end of the table. Place your sharpener at a 90-degree angle and with a light pressure, draw the sharpener along the blade's edge past the point of the blade. You will feel the tungsten carbide shaping your new edge with each pull. The easy-to-use dishwasher-safe AccuSharp knife sharpener comes with a lifetime warranty. The AccuSharp knife and tool sharpener is proudly made in the USA. The AccuSharp knife and tool sharpener. Keep your edge.
Keep your kitchen and sport knives razor sharp with the Presto EverSharp electric knife sharpener. Its two-stage sharpening system quickly and easily sharpens most any non-serrated blade, providing professional results in the convenience of your home. The EverSharp knife sharpener features precision blade guides to position the knife at the ideal sharpening angle for perfect results every time, and Sephrite grinding wheels made of the same ultra-hard material used in professional shops. Stage 1 begins the sharpening process by creating a precision angled edge. Just draw the knife through each slot a few times, then move on to Stage 2 and complete the sharpening. Once again, simply draw the knife through each slot a few times and the blade is sharpened to a razor edge. It's the fast and easy way to get professional knife sharpening results at home. The Presto EverSharp electric knife sharpener. Get one today.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.